You won't believe how much this parrot costs. Number 5, hyacinth macaw, costing up to $40,000. Bright blue and extremely rare. Number 4, palm cockatoo, costs about $30,000. Black feathers with red cheeks make it special. Number 3, scarlet macaw, around $20,000. Vibrant red, yellow, and blue feathers. Number 2, blue and gold macaw, up to $15,000. Bright colors and excellent talking skills. And finally, number 1, yellow-naped Amazon, costs about $10,000. Very intelligent and friendly. Would you spend this much on a parrot? Subscribe for more parrot videos.